Hello friends, I am Jimmy DeGroat with the Jewelry Store Training Institute, and I've come across a product recently that really piqued my interest. Working in the jewelry business for decades, I've never seen a practical solution for an expandable ring shank that fits over enlarged knuckles in the case of arthritis or pregnancy or weight gain. But I've recently met the folks at Brevani, and they've developed the amazing Spryngs ring, which expands up to a size and a half for comfortable wearing on the knuckle. Here's a short promo video I've done for them recently. Take a look. I think you're going to find this product very interesting. The Spryngs ring collection from Brevani solves a problem that jewelry wearers have had since the beginning of wearing jewelry. How to create a ring that expands as much as the human finger does. We've seen some costly and limited solutions come along, but nobody has ever created an expandable ring that would be both comfortable and durable. Well, it's here. It's the Spryngs collection from Brevani. These rings can expand up to a size and a half, and that means they can fit around the most challenging of knuckles, even knuckles with arthritis. Pregnancy, weight change, changing of the seasons, and health conditions happen to everybody. And now you have a product that you can be extremely proud to offer from the family manufacturer at Brevani. In fact, they offer a lifetime warranty with every Spryngs ring. Get this ring on your finger and you'll believe it. Then get it on your customers' fingers and watch their eyes light up in delight that you can now sell them a ring that they can enjoy and wear for a lifetime.